What the hell? That is dancing. I'm a dancing maniac. I'm a dancing fool.
Anyways, the president's gonna have to wait. Iran just dropped a geopolitical flashbang and MES just went to the basement. Hey homie, if you're enjoying the video and you like this kind of content, hit that like button and subscribe, dude. I wanna have you around. Much love, my dudes, my dudettes. Hope you have a blessed day. All right, thanks, let's get back to the video. Ladies and gentlemen, gentle ladies and gentlemen, I waited for 3 hours for this trade to play out. And we're gonna bust it down for you because apparently Trump did not like the way that I was talking. He obviously thought it was disrespectful, so I'm just gonna go ahead and give you my analysis of what we thought was gonna happen and what's going on with the charts. First off, let me get off my little practice account because that's inaccurate. We are down $70 for the day, but hey, I didn't break my rules. I didn't do any of that nonsense. It was nothing of the sorts. I stayed disciplined. I remain strong, resilient even. I'm gonna open up here. We go here. I'm gonna turn this off because it's way too bright and I'm in the layer right now. But I wanna just take a little minute, show you what I was thinking, what we had going on here, all right? So here's what we're looking at. Let's start from the top down. Obviously, we're in this bullish channel and we're structuring up. We came through here and did some consolidate, do-bopping. And look, you can see we are moving up. Okay, obviously the bullish intent. I'm even thinking bullish here, right? Okay, wrong. Here's what I was thinking this morning. We're kind of coming up into this consolidation after the weekend. Bow. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at this. Breaking a little trendy or whatever, you know. So I'm thinking, hey, why not take a little bit more down movement? Why not go down a little bit? You know what I'm saying? So this is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking we're coming here with a big old rip. Obviously, we're just continuing up for now, but we also got some news here, so don't get too excited there, okay? I don't want you to get too excited here. I don't want you to think nothing too crazy, because I followed my plan. I stayed disciplined and I stayed locked in, and we still just ended up having a little bit of a change of heart. And speaking of changes, we had this change of character, which caught my attention on the 15 this morning, all right? And I'm gonna tell you right now, I was on stream with Riley, and then I was on stream with CAFX, and we were sitting there dialed in, all the way in, dialed. I watched Riley not take a trade. He took no trades. He was like, I'm not feeling this, not my movement. I watched Connor make a nice smooth little 700, did not go to the full TP he wanted, but he was still glorious in his movement. He still made it happen. It was still a victorious day for him. But nonetheless, like I've said, I do not have the money right now to be a breakout trader. I don't have the discipline, so I'm learning from him. I'm tapping in, and I'm just becoming this cool, resilient, like freaking still water in the ocean, just out there like tsunami and then waving around. I'm learning from him. So I'm up in his channel and I'm discording with him and doing whatevers, and I'm just happy to be there. But what I'm thinking this morning, huge fair value gaps going on here. You know what I'm saying? So we got this bing bop boop bop beep bop wow, which is now an inverse fair value gap. But what I'm sitting here looking at this morning, we had some fair value gaps just ripped down. So I put in a limit order halfway right here. Boom. That's what I'm thinking, right? Look, you can see it. I don't need to freaking tell you too much. Let me look down here. I don't have my bifocals on. I don't need the bifocals. Chill out. You can see I put it in right there. Okay, so I'm sitting here waiting through all this. Look, this is the 5-minute chart we're looking at. So we was waiting all day for this to play out. Then we came into lunchtime and just kind of stalled out, chilled. I even went to dang near TP1, but it didn't quite touch there. And if it did, it happened quick. In all reality, I saw that we were sweeping this area and respecting structure, but I did not want to break my freaking rules here. I didn't want to break my code, okay? Because I'm sitting here like, the whole name of the game is to build a strategy and see if it works and to see if I am capable of reading the markets or whatever. So I'm thinking, hey, we're gonna come up here. There's some what was it, 1 hour liquidity we had here. CAFX's indicator here, and we were looking at that. I've got a little bit too much here. I think I'm gonna limit some of these because it's just chaotic right now, and it's looking pretty crazy on the 5 minute now that I'm looking at it. So we might go for the bigger target liquidity, like the 1 and the 4 hours. I think we'll probably end up doozing. And you know what? While I got you here, let's just see what that looks like. See what it looks like real quick. All right. Well, I already have my daily, so I don't really need the daily liquidity because, funny enough, that's actually, see, look, it still looks crazy. It still looks crazy. That's the 4 and the onesies. We're still looking freaking wild. So we're gonna leave all this up, man. It's just a 1 week to 1 month. I feel like these are still important. But nonetheless, look at this crazy. I put the VWAP on. I put the VWAP back. I like the VWAP. The VWAP gives me, a little bit of variables, and I know what the average price is looking like. So this morning, I'm sitting here waiting for this forever. Like, oh my gosh, I'm sitting here analyzing my thoughts. We have this change of character right here. Okay, cool. Hindsight 2020. That right there is a good indication, bink, that we're coming up. Right, I know that. I'm watching this in real time, analyzing. I'm gonna put it up here. I recorded screen recorder for like 3 freaking hours or something like that, something crazy. So I'm gonna have to freaking mash it up so it's like supersonic speeds. But it's not a big deal. It's not a big deal at all, because what I did do was stayed strong in a moment of uncertainty. And we had a little bit of drawdown when it started moving in some direction. So I'm like, okay, now we're back under the VWAP. Back under the VWAP. And obviously we get some break of structure and things start moving pretty quick. And look at how hard we freaking ripped. We ripped so hard, but I didn't adjust my stops. I didn't adjust my take profits. I didn't size in. I didn't get emotional. I actually laughed about it. I even said I should probably get out of this trade right now. I think I'm at a break-even point to where I can get out, because look, we came back down here to break even. And at this point, I'm like, no wick bottom. We're starting to create structure again, but news start popping up. I'm gonna slow down. I'm like, whoa, dude, Trump, chill, bro. I was just joking about this morning. It's just a little whatevers or something. You took it so serious. And now you're dropping all this news. I thought some of the news you dropped, not caring about oil or not caring about the deal or whatever. I'm sitting here like, we're sinking. We're sinking. Ripped up to the freaking moon, bros. Ripped up to the freaking space vortex galaxies of all the freaking whats. Anyways, I am going to tell you right now, I still stand behind this move. I still stand behind what I did. Because even here, look at all this Kansali choppy. And look, I know somebody might be like, yeah, bro, but look, we were making high highs and doing respect, and we're freaking consolidating like freaking madmen right now. You don't freaking know what we're doing. The market doesn't know what we're doing. This is lunchtime. I'm sitting here, dude, I'm making lunch right now, looking over like, freaking chart. You're crazy. You're crazy. This is a win to me, guys. This is a win. No emotion. No big deal. We're freaking, look at the VWAP. Look how consistent we are with that, huh? How are you gonna get mad at that? Some micro structure, man, the 1 minute can flip flop anytime. You see right here, we could have just came up back right here and just dumped all the way down in the freaking vortexes, the freaking pits of the depths of the under earths or whatever, bro. It doesn't even matter. It doesn't even matter. Seriously, just look at this. Look at this discipline. Look at this experience. A year ago, I would have been sitting here like, what am I gonna do, dude? I gotta size in so I can get out. I should have broken even right there. Yeah, maybe, bro. Okay, maybe. Maybe I should have taken a little profits. What does this look like? It's probably not gonna get my account very far if I do that emotional. And look, guys, you see this blue little freaking sweet, glorious ocean atomic blue line? That's the previous day liquidity. So I'm sitting here thinking, heck yeah, dude, let's go up here and fill this little imbalance, which is now an inverse fair value gap because the market had other plans. But I'm like, hey, let's target this liquidity down here. Nah, we didn't do that. But we won today. It was a glorious, victorious day. I can't even be mad, you guys, and neither should you. Let me know how you did on your trade today. Let me know what you had going on. Let me know what you think I could have done better. If you follow a similar strategy or something like that, just drop it in the comments, man. I'm here because I want to learn, because I want to be better, and because I want to share these experiences with you, but ultimately come back to myself and be able to tap in. Now I'm going to have to go because my child is at the bottom of the stairs. I've been recording now for 8 minutes and 48 seconds, and that's about all the free time that I get. So I love you. Stay beautiful. Stay blessed. We're going to be back at it tomorrow for another freaking day of gloriousnisms. And like I always say, I love you. And I hope that you have a wonderful day. And I hope that you live in your life and creating your dreams in your space. This isn't just a trading channel, guys. I'm just a dude on a platform living his life, being free and having a good time. So, till next time. Wait for this trade to play out, and I'm looking around like, what are we gonna do about this mess? We got this whole little mess. Here's operator mess control, which is not in control of anything other than maintaining this mess. So while we're waiting for that limit order to fill or not fill or whatever it's gonna do, I figured we might as well go ahead and report to duty and get this main. Oh my God. We gotta get this motor pool cleaned up. Now who do we have here? Stepping into the charts, standing at 11.5 inches. Pink Farm, welcome to the arena. It is time to trade live action. We're gonna put the charts up here. I've been recording this setup for the past hour and absolutely nothing has happened. But now we've got Minimo stepping into the ranks. What do you think? Will we take a trade today? It doesn't even matter. The win is in the discipline. The win is staying consistent. The win is showing up every day and knowing what we're doing and why we're doing it, even if we don't really know what we're doing or why we're doing it. Who is this?
Tiger.
Tigers. Does it have a name?
No.
No name tiger. How about Trader Magoo, Trader McGee, Trader McGah, Krav McGah?
No, he's a tiger.
A tiger. What about the lions and the bears? Oh
No.
my. Oh my. So running your strategy and being disciplined is top priority. It's essential. You have to know what you're doing and why you're doing it. I watched Riley trade this morning. He didn't end up taking a trade. Very disciplined, very methodical with the stop process. I watched Connor, CAFX, take a trade this morning. And he took a breakout. He made a little over $700. Dude, awesome. Stella. I'm not taking either of those trades because it doesn't follow my formula. And if I'm not going to follow my formula and stay disciplined on what I'm doing right now in this moment while I'm trying to get my cutting edge lined up, I'm just not going to do it. But what I am going to do is look at this tiny little gremlin I got and realize that this area of operation is out of control. We need to go get this motor pool cleaned up stat because, well, we've got Hoagie. We've got Hoagie to show. Hoagie, is this YouTube's?
Hey.
Hi there, YouTubes. Oh, whoa, whoa. How many of you traders are trading with this kind of chaos? Let me know in the comments if you're trading with a little one with you by your side, if you got a sidekick and you're just making the best out of everything that you're doing and just having an awesome time, an awesome experience. I'm not a guru wizard. I'm not. I'm just a dude sharing my journey along the way. Maybe you like me, maybe you don't. That's for you to decide, not me, my friend. But I'm happy you're here if you are here, and I hope that you stick around. What? You're not happy? You're not happy to be here?
I'm sick.
What?
I'm sad.
You're sad? Oh no! What? We gotta go make this all better. We can't have no sad babies around here. Check it out. My boy CAFX running through his boot camp course. You gotta get on there, get his premiums, you have access. My dude's doing work, he's making things happen. Check him out. I'll drop the link here. I'll put a little picture of him like I always do because that's my boy. I support him. I hope one day I get to travel over to Wales and hang out with him and visit. We buzzed our head at the same time.
No,
He kept his beard, but his was probably
mine.
intentional. My EOS M has finally arrived from the Chinese government. I could not be happier. But I'm gonna be real, it looks like I've got a kilo of Colombian. You know what I'm saying? Huh? You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna show you what this looks like, but boy, am I fucking pumped about it. I'm so happy. I'm gonna look at it and we're gonna do a review on it soon. So if you're into this kind of stuff, well, then you know what to do. I love you. Give me that gasolina.
Gasolina.